So I think the top 3 reasons that I would cite for why a manufacturing company would need this, and particularly a life sciences manufacturing company. First, it's super easy. It's replacing paper. There shouldn't have to be much debate as to why you would want to replace paper. And in today's day and age, it seems silly or ludicrous almost to be using paper in such an important aspect. Our customers deliver life-changing products to us as a society, medical devices, pharma, and they use paper. And so enabling our customers to get rid of that paper is an obvious first benefit. Second one is the data, the insights, the knowledge, and the improvements. If you think about a company as being a car, the manufacturing group is maybe the engine. It drives the company. Everybody's worried about the production and the throughput from the manufacturing group, but it has tentacles to all the different parts of the other organization. The results of the manufacturing group can be tied back to the development group, should be tied back to the development group, should be correlated with the regulatory group. The examples and scenarios go on and on. And the third thing is, I would just say, the business benefits. So the first is paper, the second is the data that give them insights, and the third is the business benefits. It's a strategic win for the executives of the company because there's so many places in the process that are slowed down because they're using paper and they don't have the data. Which team is performing the fastest and which group has the fewest number of errors? Simple things that we would think would be in a modern company that produces a life-saving drug or device, they don't have. With our solution, our customers will be able to get their products to market faster.